with Hot 97, with you taking over the show, there are a lot of people that are saying that it feels like New York radio again. You know?
Yeah.
What do you think it is that you're bringing that makes it like feel re-New Yorkified?
You know what it is? I think growing up, listening to it as a kid, you know, growing up in the Bronx, listening to Hot 97 every day, you know, I'm an elder millennial, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
This is, you know, shout out my elder millennials. It wasn't, you didn't have an iPod, you had an MP3 player. You know what I'm saying? And you know, since I didn't have MP3 player money, you know, we were listening to the radio, which was a cultural, you know, touchstone. And going from being a kid, listening to it in the back of a car, doing things as a teenager that my mom would not approve of, that's why we're not saying it on the air. To then being the guy on the mic is crazy.
Yeah.
It's like watching Superman save somebody and then being like, yo, Superman's like, yeah, hold this cape.
Yeah.
You're the guy now.
So now, knowing what you know, do you get on the radio sometimes like, stop doing that in the back seat?
I leave you little hidden messages, man, on the side, and I'm like, yo, stop that, stop doing that.
Yeah.
Don't talk to your mother like that.
And so with Hot 97 being such an institution, when you come in, do you feel like there's a lot of new stuff that you want to do, or do you feel a sort of responsibility to uphold what people are expecting?
A little bit of both, you know what I mean? Because there is, you know, people, like you said, like, oh, Mero, you made New York sound like, radio sound like New York again. And I'm like, thank you guys. But there's also, you know, it's New York.
Yeah.
It's a very eclectic city. So, you know, you got rappers that are, you know, mainstream, and then you got some that are not. I was trying to just highlight New York as a city, you know what I mean? Have, you know, people like designers, shout out to Taller de Jarafa, like just New York City kids, because I'm a New York City kid. So it feels good to me to kind of like uplift other people from the city and like kind of showcase them, because there's a lot of talent out here.